What is a customer portal and why do modern manufacturing companies need them? Within Industry 4.0, connectivity is an important pillar. Connecting our digital to our physical world. But what about our customers? In this video, you will learn how a portal can ensure that your customers feel well supported and that you can also save money in that process. Matter of fact, I even think there's a potential for more revenue and growth of your business. Customer portals provide a customer access to important corporate company information such as order history, ongoing orders, customer account information, shipping addresses, previous invoices, quotations, credit limits, and of course many more information sources. In short, these kind of solutions provide answers to questions that customers can quickly find. Questions such as, has my order actually received correctly? When is the planned delivery date of the order? Where can I find the delivery note of my previous delivery or all the documentation that comes with it that I need for my side of the business? Which kind of invoices do I still have to pay, perhaps? Or what kind of product do I still have to receive? These kind of concepts have long been known to us as consumers. We know them from all the web shops we use them on a daily basis. And every day, millions of euros per day are ordered at sites such as Amazon.com. Only a few companies have really embedded and embraced a modern and fully functional portal. And those reasons for this are varying greatly. Previously, an agreement for this was only seen as a cost item. It was not really seen as a potential payout for more business. And the technology itself was maybe only available for the big players in the game and not just for the regular metalworking company in the industry. And these days I'm here to tell you that is no longer the case. These new technologies have been emerging very fast, and I will tell you more about this later. Other people might believe that personal contact is more important, and that's why it may be not a good idea to have a portal. But why do people really need a portal, and what does it mean? A recent survey has shown that 2 out of 3 business customers choose self-service over the complexity and explaining their problems on the phone to a representative or receptionist. And in the end of the day, the customer is king, right? They have the experience with the Amazon.com, and they can have the same with your business. Actually, what we can say that almost 60% of our communication, as I mentioned before, is actually superfluous. It is just additional, and it could be automated. In addition, it also has been demonstrated that 28% of the office staff time is actually spent on reactive actions concerning the email and the telephone. And so much profit can be achieved if we just take that distraction away from the business. And to go back to the same study, almost 75% of our customers value self-service more than any service in any form. And this is not just made up by me. The Forrester research, the research behind this research, has found that corporate purchasers consider now whether the suppliers would make their online experiences pleasant and as easy a significant factor to choose who to do business with. So end of the line, they are deciding who to do business with if they even have this online solution because it's just easier and more modern. How often does it not happen that one of your employees is being disturbed during their work, but often actually they cannot even help the customer in the first place because they're the wrong person to ask. And this causes frustration on both sides of the line. Well, this problem could actually be solved and automated in the very first place. There was no need for this frustration in the beginning. Well, manufacturing companies can definitely cut costs, provide better customer experience, and achieve unprecedented operational effectiveness by offering an ERP-linked portal to their customers. Let's talk about the first step to your customer portal. An effective portal does not have to be complex and therefore expensive. The trick is to make decisions about what matters most to your customer. If you have a modern ERP system, chances are that it offers an API or SDK, a connection to which the software can connect with, and with which data we can exchange it on a secure way. There are also standard platforms and ERP adapted frameworks that are available today. In addition, it's also possible to publish data on the web directly from your database over a web service. So the opportunities are endless. But what you need is a plan. And having your guidance supervised by an expert with experience and that can involve your ERP supplier is crucial. So therefore I would like to help you. If you want to learn more about this, click on the link below to see my website and my services, what I can mean to you.